29-year-old woman. I'm not planning on having a family now, but am hoping to do so. And through my care at Root Cause, I never thought in a million years that it had something to do with my hormones or the birth control that I was on. I just would get sick all the time and was like, I just get sick all the time. That's that. Come to find out that there was a lot more going on internally that I was never paying attention to. So specifically, as a young woman, I was always taught like, okay, go on birth control, that's that. And I discovered that a lot of my physical ailments and actual immune system was being affected by my birth control. Never in a million years did I even know that was a thing, but truly knowledge is power. So the more I came to learn from the functional medicine team here, and specifically Valeria, the nurse practitioner who's a women's health specialist, she and the team helped me to realize that the inflammation in my body is actually what can cause all of these negative responses. So I started my functional medicine program because I just genuinely did not feel good. I was extremely anxious, was very irregular with my periods, and when you're not trying to start a family and you're not getting your period regularly, it's very anxiety inducing. So not only were they there, the team was there for me as just like we are your doctors, we are going to help you and make sure that you feel healthy and good day to day, but let's also ease your concerns about what's going on in your body. Come to find out, and I didn't know this before, but birth control does cause high levels of inflammation in your body. Now, my specific health goal was to reduce the inflammation in my body. So the last thing that was causing that high inflammation was my birth control. Now, of course, and we would advocate for it too, the team would hear, we're not pushing for me to get off my birth control. They were helping me to make the decision of what was best for me and my health and how I could continue to reduce the inflammation in my body. For me, that was removing my IUD, which I was comfortable and educated and confident to do that with the help of the team here to help me do something called the fertility awareness method. So with the help of Valeria and our registered dietitian, Rachel, I have been able to naturally get my hormones balanced off of birth control, but then also use the fertility awareness method to stay safe as I make the decision not to have children at the moment. So I was very, very thankful to Valeria specifically for opening up my eyes to this other option. I feel medications are pushed on us so much in our society, if you're sick, or for a disease or anything, it's, a pill is the answer. And what I found very refreshing about the approach here at Root Cause, just fully from a functional medicine standpoint, is how can we achieve my health goals without making things worse? So it's like, okay, I'm not ready to have children, here's birth control, but the birth control was making my inflammation off the charts. So with their support, I've been able to get my body back to a place where I've never felt this good, truly. And I'm also not terrified about getting pregnant because I have control of that.